Hey everybody, Angela here with Walker Mobile Homes. We're here in sunny Sacramento. Here is one of our latest mobile homes that we sold. Come take a look. So here's a gorgeous deck for your morning coffee or just, hanging out. All right, so we're in the mobile. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. With its own private entrance in one of the bedrooms and bathrooms. It's a 1,400 square foot home, actually just over 1,400. Come take a look. We have a lovely space here for the living room. Very big. And then we enter the dining room. And all these great built-ins, very convenient. And then we have the kitchen that we've remodeled. And then down here we have a laundry room with tons of storage. And then the exit to the carport. All right, let's go down the hallway. So we have bathroom number 1 over here. Full bath with shower, and bedroom number 1 over here. Very spacious bedrooms. We're about to enter the master. A great makeup station over here for the ladies. And again, a lot of storage. We have storage in here where you could store your dresses, button downs, as well as the closet, the spacious closet. And then entering here is the master bathroom. Double sink, shower and bath. Okay, so we're about to enter the 3rd bedroom and bathroom, and this was actually an addition to the mobile. A great walk-in closet. It's a private entrance to the deck, and then the bathroom, newly remodeled bathroom. So there you have it. If you're interested in buying, selling, or flipping a mobile home, contact me at walkerbuysmobilehomes@gmail.com or the number below.